Ladies and gentlemen, I'm truly humbled by this honor of being the Toastmaster of today. Thank you, Noronna and Mascarenas family, for this honor. First of all, season's greetings. Happy New Year to all of you. While Christmas tidings are still around us, the glow of Christmas shows on all of us. So season's greetings to each and every one of you present here today. All of us present here today, ladies and gentlemen, in some way or the other, know both the families, Mascarenas and Noronnas. But being the Toastmaster, it's my customary duty to do that. Let me start with the ladies first. Bride's father, Ronald Vincent Noronna, hails from the Caudle parish. He's the proprietor of Safeway Road and Carrier Tours and Travels. He owns transport business in Mangalore. The pretty elegant mom, Sunitha Gracia Noronna, the pretty mother of a gorgeous bride, a proud homemaker who has been instrumental in holding this family in high esteem. Congratulations to Ronnie and Sunitha. It's your 25th wedding anniversary as well. May you grow up to be 50 years of love life together, I wish. All the guys in the audience, to all eyes to the left of the bride's sister, Shanice Ria Noronna. She's maid of honor today, and she's studying Bachelor of Occupational Therapy in Mahe, Manipal. She's smart, gorgeous, single, and ready to mingle, I'm told. Guys, make some noise. Now to the gorgeous bride, Shaina Rachel Noronna. She's an intelligent and brilliant student and a young lady, and today Mrs. She is. She's always been excelling in her studies from the school till the college up till the engineering. And now she is working as a support engineer at the Microsoft Corporation, India. She's been awarded as the Student of the Year, and this is true, not real life, this is real life. Student of the Year for many years, I've been told. She's a talented singer and a member of music ministry in the Couples for Christ in Bangalore, along with her now groom Sheldon. Mind you, now groom Sheldon. Okay. Let's meet the groom's family now. Groom's dad, proud, Orlando Flaviano Mascarenas, residing in Povaram, Goa. Welcome to Mangaluru. He works as a senior general manager at the Economic Development Corporation, we call it as EDC, Government of Goa. And his gorgeous wife, Sandra Zulena Mascarenas, the proud mom of Sheldon. She's also the manager at the EDC in Goa. They both work together. Now, who spies on whom, I don't know. Yeah? Good luck to you. All the pretty ladies, all eyes to the right of the groom, Sheldon's brother, Brendan. Look. Oh, you have a fan club. He's an MBA in finance and from TAPME, Mahe, and he now works for JP Morgan's in Bangalore. All the moms, put up your glasses and have a good look at the groom's brother. Look at his smile. Yeah, ladies, make some noise. Over to Sheldon, the groom of the day, Sheldon Mascarenas. He's done his basic and advanced education in Goa. He is also a bright student. He's excelled in all his education from basic till the, you want to know? IIT Mumbai. Can we even imagine? It goes above my head, but he is an IIT Mumbai and I'm told he's done well there. So he's also a basketball player He's represented Goa at the national games and was a captain of the school and college basketball teams, I'm told. Swimming and water sports also is in the list. Importantly, boys, he is a great fan of Manchester United football team. Give it to him. Yes, there. Sheldon works as senior consultant at ERM International Private Limited, Bangalore, but it's a UK-based firm. This great musician has played at various bands and plays at CFCI along with Shaina, his now bride. Yeah? Did you hear when I said about Shaina? So, this is for you to just keep in your mind, all right? Ladies and gentlemen, my guess is that Shaina and Sheldon were good athletes. They were pretty good runners. You know why? When God was distributing talents and intelligence and all that, these two were first in the queue. Yes, that is why they are talented and blessed with so many talents and so many excellence in everything that they did. I think they deserve a round of applause and maybe a big shout. Yes. Now, Sheldon and Shaina, there are a few secrets that I have gathered about you both. You may be surprised about this, but that's what the smart Toastmasters do. So far, ladies and gentlemen, Shaina used to sing and dance to the tune of Sheldon's guitar. After this day, we do not know who's going to sing to whose tunes. Let's wait and watch. Sheldon loves football. Shaina can't stand football. So to the guests in the gathering, if you do have a plan of a wedding gift, a second TV set is most welcome to the house. Shaina loves Bollywood songs, music, and movies. Sheldon just does not like it. All the reason for you to give a TV set as a gift. Yeah? Contact me after the function if you do have a thought about it. Sheldon loves spicy food. Shaina can't take it. So the ladies in the audience and the family, please gift them some lovely cooking books or some cooking tips. If you don't, I wish good luck to the Uber, Zomato, and Swiggy Eats. Long live these three. Like any young girls, Shaina loves shopping and she shops, she doesn't get dropped. We all say shop till you drop. No, that doesn't happen. That's pretty much like every young lady or a girl. Sheldon just doesn't like shopping. Sheldon, but doesn't matter. You know what you have to do? Just drop her to the shopping mall, give her your credit card and the PIN number. She just doesn't care you like shopping or no. You can come later to pick her up, okay? Most men don't like shopping, yeah, but we women do. Good luck to all the men, and Sheldon, welcome to the club. Sheldon, okay, all the youngsters, boys and the girls, youngsters, this is for you, a very important tip. My dear Sheldon is a very devout young man who didn't miss masses in Bangalore church. When he was in Bangalore, he is still in Bangalore. He did not miss a Sunday mass. And on one Sunday, when he went to the church, he heard an amazing voice in the choir. He just heard, next Sunday he went again and he saw the face behind that lovely voice, and that was Shaina singing the psalm for the Sunday. Oh, there Sheldon was. Sheldon was just bold. Okay? And there was the God's plan. Love at first sight. Sheldon and Shaina met there. Now, all the youngsters in the audience, now you boys and girls know why we mothers tell you, go to church. Misa kosre putta. God has got his plans and here is a proof. So let's make some noise. The mothers and the fathers make some noise. Yes. Shaina's friends call her mom friend. She's like a mom to them, I'm told. She's very caring and very, concerned about your friends. And if a friend is wearing a new dress and she goes and tells Shaina, Shaina, I bought a new dress. So Shaina like, I know from where you bought it and it's like almost this price. And the friends are like, okay, we are not talking to Shaina anymore about her shopping because Shaina has done all the shopping of those clothes before. All right, so that's about the two of them. Now to you, Sheldon and Shaina. A great marriage is not when the perfect couple comes together. It's when an imperfect couple learns to enjoy their differences. We are all so different from each other. So learn to be together and make a perfect couple of yourselves. Your new life as husband and wife begins today. All this fun, frolic, the gala, everything gets over by 11 o'clock. Today, we have all gone home and your life begins tomorrow. Married life, as many wise people have told you, is not a bed of roses. We all married people agree, right? But learn to take away those thorns from the rose plants and live with the roses. That's how you have to be smart to just pluck the thorns of the rose and live on those roses. Say to each other always, I love you not only for what you are, but for what I am when I am with you. Not what you have made of yourself, but for what you are making of me. I have found my life in you and my soulmate for the rest of my life. To irritate a little bit when it is possible. Yeah, that's slow. Look at the good things of each other and compliment each other. Be very generous in forgiving each other and be the most wisest misers to find fault with each other. Did you know there is no more lovely, friendly, and charming relationship, communion, or company than a good marriage? Continue to be in love with each other from today till love eternity. Dear Shaina and Sheldon, hold on to each other in love. Even when the sea is stormy and rough and the waves are high with roaring noise and your ship is shaking a little bit, don't worry. After every storm, there is a calm. After every thunder and lightning outside the house and inside the house, there is always a calm. So please wait for that. It could be raining at times, but don't worry about that. You should be able to be managing after the thunder and lightning. There can be little rain here and there, inside the house as well, Sheldon. You know what I mean? Okay. So keep your marriage brimming with love in the cup of called marriage. Whenever you're wrong, admit it, and when you're right, please shut up. They say, not me. May your life be long and happy, your cares and sorrows few, and the many friends around you both prove faithful, fond, and true. May your voyage through the life be happy and as free as the dancing waves of the deep sea. May you have many children who will fill your home with loud music and fun, many guitars, drum sets and keyboards, footballs and basketballs. And they may grow mature in taste and healthy in color and as sought as after the contents of this glass that you're holding. So, dear ladies and gentlemen, let's toast to this wonderful couple today, Shaina and Sheldon. May all that is good be yours always, we pray. May all that is not good may not even pass by your way, we pray. Good luck, happy birthday, Sheldon, and wishing you both a very happy and prosperous and love-filled married life. Cheers. Ladies and gentlemen, please join in toasting this wonderful couple of tonight. Cheers.